All right. What's wild today? I'm just leaving Morse's Sporting Goods here in Hillsboro. Able to see if I can get a video of the bobcats that's been hanging out in back here, but been here twice this afternoon. Once at 2:30 to 3:15. No bobcat. I had to get down to Toadstool Bookstore in Keene to sign a few more books and leave a couple of posters, which I'll show you one later. Anyway, so the trip over to Henniker from Morse's Sporting Goods goes along the Contoocook River here. Kind of a nice drive. I thought I'd bring you along today. Drive along the river. It's spectacular in the winter. You'll see. You get over this hill, we'll be able to see the river in a minute. Snowbanks. Here we got, I would say 4 feet high snowbanks on the right side and 3 to 4 feet on the left. Plenty of snow here in Hillsboro, coming into Henniker, New Hampshire. Along the Contoocook rivers, we make this corner. You'll see it's a pleasant drive along here any time of the year. Beautiful river down there, cascading down through the rapids. It's a big stretch of rapids down through here. It's gorgeous in the summertime, absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, the snowbankings are blocking our view. I wasn't counting on that. Well, maybe we'll see the river up here a little bit better. Snowbankings kind of are working against us today, aren't they? Anyways, a nice drive along the Contoocook River. There we go. There's the river right there. Take a look at that. See it there? I'll swing over that side a little bit. There is the Contoocook River. Oh yeah. It's wide through here. It's probably 150 feet wide, at least. All rapids all down through here. Quite the set of rapids. Goes on here for half an hour, half a mile or more. Rapids. I'd be saying I don't think I ever come over. I can't remember running the Contoocook River in a canoe. Back in the early 70s, I did a lot of whitewater canoeing in lakes in New Hampshire and Maine. I did some big Maine rivers as well. Up to the Airline Rapids. Yeah, here's the Contoocook River. On the other side of that snowbank, I can tell you what it looks like. I guess I can't look over the snowbank from down there. I suppose if I lift the camera up here higher, it might work, but I can tell you what it looks like. It looks like a very cold river in the wintertime. It is quite cold. Covered with snow and ice. I mean, you know, because it's rapids, there's a lot of open water too. Stretches of it. Yep. Nice drive along the Contoocook River. I should have stopped and give you a picture of that. Well, if I get to a spot where I can take another good look at it, maybe I'll do that. I don't even know the name of this road. I can't remember. Well, there's the river there now, but it's a little quieter here. And totally ice covered. Totally ice covered. You might see it again.
Turn left onto Western Avenue.
Anyways, this is winter in New Hampshire. This is February 21st, 2025. Look at the snowbankings here. There's right there where it's piled up where he's plowed. It's 6 or 8 feet tall, or 6 or 7 feet tall there. Snowbankings, yeah, they're good 3 to 4 feet high, quite wide. Had a lot of snow this winter, more than in, I think it's 2015 or something, a decade. Man, it's been a while since we've had this much snow. And it came late. All this has come since February 1st. We had hardly any snow in November, no snow in December, no snow in January to speak of. Storms that came, but the snow went away. I mean, for the whole month of January, we had 2 or 3 storms that dumped maybe an inch or 2 of snow. So I was just scraping the driveway with my scraper. I didn't even need to plow until sometime in February. Yeah. Mid-February, early February. Yes. Contoocook River there. You can see it now. Yep, take a look at the river right there. Oh, it's beautiful. Tell you what, maybe there's nobody behind me. I'm not going to pick the camera up. You see what you see. There's the river. You can see some of it right here. I'll even move over to that side of the road so you can see it. There's no cars coming. There we go. Contoocook River. Coming into Henniker. Down at Toadstool Bookstores. If you haven't bought my book, What's Wild, yet, finally got my book published last fall. Been meaning to do it since I retired. It'll be 18 years in June since I retired from the Hampshire fishing game. Been a while. Finally got my book done. It was on my list to do when I retired 18 years ago. Yeah, it was. So luckily last summer, then we go on going across the Contoocook River here.
Now turn left onto Western Avenue.
Yeah. So you can see the river on that side of it all. Patterson Hill Road, it said. Anyways, coming into Henniker. Moving away from the river now, so I guess I'll get into the town. We don't need that. All right, hold on. That's what's wild today. Hillsboro, Henniker, and the Contoocook River for what you can see of it. That's what's wild in New Hampshire today.